Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we will learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your PVC pipe manufacturer business. As a PVC pipe manufacturer, you got many queries from your customer in where they can ask about specs, place order as well as knowing about delivery updates. Responding each and every customer manually is a time-consuming, also a very confusing task. To solve this type of problems, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot. It will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, so that whenever your customer send a message to your WhatsApp business account, then your bot will respond to them automatically. To get more details about this, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. Before starting the video of how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your PVC pipe manufacturer business, let me give you a quick review about how this bot will work and how this bot will respond to your customer instantly. This is the final look of our chatbot that we are going to create in this video. So here I am sending one message in my WhatsApp business account of PVC pipe manufacturer. Here I send it. See, the bot will respond to me automatically. Hi there, welcome to the official WhatsApp account of Pabbly PVC pipe manufacturer company. How can I help you today? While providing me 3 different options, that is place a new order, delivery status and product specs. If I'll click on place a new order, then you can see it will respond to me like this, that please provide the product name you want to purchase. So here I am providing one product name. Here I provide it. After that you can see it will ask me to select the quantity of the product that I want to purchase from this PVC pipe manufacturer company. While providing me 3 different options, that is 100 pieces, 500 pieces and 1000 pieces. If I'll click on 500 pieces, then you can see it will ask me to provide my address. Here I am giving them one test address. Here I provide it. After that you can see it will respond to me like this, that your order has been received, while providing me one order ID and one message that our team will contact you soon to confirm the delivery date and payment details. Thank you for choosing us. If I'll click on product specs, then you can see it will respond to me like this while providing me one specs sheet. Now here if I'll click on delivery status, then you can see it will ask me to enter the order ID for checking the status. Here I am providing them one order ID. Here I provide it. After that you can see it will respond to me like this, that order ID that I have given them here and the status that is confirmed. So basically this is how your chatbot will work and this is how your bot will respond to your customer instantly. You can create this type of automated WhatsApp chatbot for your PVC pipe manufacturer companies. So let's get started. At first you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. Here you are landed on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool which helps us to automate our WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 by creating WhatsApp chatbot for your different type of businesses. Here on the right hand side you can see 2 options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up option. If you are an existing user, then you can click on sign in option. As I am an existing user, so I'll click on sign in option. See, these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their user. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so I'll go in the Pabbly Chatflow box by clicking Access Now button. Here you are landed on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, where you can see your credits allotted, your credits consumed, your credits remaining and WhatsApp number added. With the help of this button, you can add multiple WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account. If you want to know how to add your WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. When you click on this, it will provide you 2 options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. WhatsApp Connect might involve scanning a QR code or entering the phone number and verification code. The second one is the Manual Token Connect. When you click on this, it will ask you for Meta Access token that you can generate from your Facebook Meta account for developer. Here you can also add multiple folders, while in this home section you can see the active status of your WhatsApp number that were added into your Pabbly Chatflow account. The second feature is the inbox, in where you can store all the messages of your customer and respond to them by here also. You don't have to open your WhatsApp account again and again. The third one is the contact, in which you can list off your WhatsApp contacts who interacted with your bot, and you can see contact details, create segments, tag user, etc. The fourth one is the team queue, in where you can assign incoming chats to different team members automatically. It will also help you to have a customer support team. The fifth one is the template. It is just like a pre-approved WhatsApp template. These are required for initiating a conversation if the customer has not messaged you first. The sixth one is the broadcast. It is used for sending bulk messages to many users at once, and it is also used for promotion, announcement and updates. The seventh one is the flow, in where you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Flow Builder. The eighth one is the AI assistant, in where you can train AI assistant with a knowledge base to answer common questions. The ninth one is the activity log, in where you can see all the events and the action you have performed within last 7 days. The 10th one is the settings, and the 11th one is the get help. I am creating WhatsApp chatbot, so I'll go in the flow option. So this is the flow builder page, where you can see your total number of flows, your active flows and your inactive flows. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, so I am clicking on this plus add flow button. So this is the starting point of your flow, but before this, first you have to give the name to your flow, that what you are creating. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot for our PVC pipe manufacturer business, so here I am providing a name. Here I write it. Now I'll give you a quick review about these two options, messages and action. Under the messages you can see different buttons are there, as well as under the action you can see different buttons are there. We will use this button in the creation of our flow. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is active inactive button and the another is save button. With the help of this button you can update your flow. Now let's get started. There are the three ways to start your flow. The one is keyword, the second is regex, and the third is choose template. Keywords are the manually entered words that I expect that my user sends to me. The second one is the regex. Regex stands for regular expression. It can extract useful data from inputs such as email, phone number, order number, etc. You can also enable this toggle if you want to activate some specific feature or behavior into your chatbot. The third one is the choose template, in where you can create multiple templates and choose with the help of this button and upload it from here. Basically, templates are used for those type of conversation that was started by your side. I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of regex. So here I am entering the regex. Here I write it. With the help of this regex, your bot will respond to the any message of your customer that they were sent to your WhatsApp business account of PVC pipe manufacturer. Now I want to write one welcome message for my customer. For that I am taking one text button. It will provide me one message box. I'll drag this box here and writing one welcome message for them. Here I write it. While at the end of this, you can see I'll ask my customer that how can I help you today. So for answering this, I am providing them some buttons by clicking on this plus add button. It will provide me one enter text box where I can write my first button as place a new order. The second button I'll write as delivery status, and the third button I'll write as product specs. Now I want to connect the starting point of my flow to the welcome message I wrote for my customer. For that I am clicking on this circle, drag a line and connect this line to this circle. Here our flow starting point is connected to our message. After that, now if my customer wants to place an order, then they will click on this button, so my bot will respond to them. I am clicking on this action option. Choose button as ask question. It will provide me one question box. I'll drag this box here and writing one question for my customer that please provide the product name that you want to purchase. Here I write it. After that, in the select contact custom field, I'll select as product name. I already created this field before. If you want to know how to create a contact custom field into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. Here I'll select the format as text. Number of attempt I'll give as 1, and you can also write any validation message in this enter validation message box. I am not writing any validation message, so I am leaving this box blank. Now I'll connect the circle which are present in front of place a new order to this message I write it here. After that, when my customer will provide me the name of the product they want to purchase, then I want to ask them about the quantity. For that, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. it will provide me one enter message box where I can write my message that please select the quantity. Here I write it. Now after that I am providing them some quantities. For that I am clicking on this plus add button. It will provide me one enter text box where I can write the first available quantity is 100 pieces. The second one I'll write is 500 pieces, and the third one I'll write is 1000 pieces. Here I write it. After that, when my customer will select any of these quantities, then my bot will ask them to provide a delivery address. For that I am again taking one ask question button, drag this question box here and entering the message. Here I write it. Now in this select contact custom field, I'll select as address. Format I'll select as text. Number of attempt will be 1 and I don't want to write any validation message. So after that, whenever my client select any of these quantity, then the response would be the same. At first, my bot will ask them to provide the delivery address. So I am connecting this circle to this message, this circle to this, and this to this. Here it is connected. After that, when my customer will provide me their delivery address, then my bot will respond to them. For that, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write my respond message. Here I write it. Now the next one is the delivery status. If my customer wants to know about the delivery status, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For this, I am again taking one ask a question button. It will provide me one question box. I'll drag this box here and writing one message in this enter message box that for checking delivery status, please provide the order ID. Here I write it. Now in the select contact custom field, I'll select as order ID and the format I'll select as any. After that, I'll connect the circle which are present in front of delivery status to the message I write it here. It is connected. Now after the next step, when my customer will provide me their order ID, then my bot will respond to them. For this, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button and writing the respond message in this enter message box. Here I write it. You can see I'll use this dollar symbol before order ID because with the help of this symbol, my bot will respond to my customer by their order ID. Here I write it as an example. You can do it according to your choice. Now after that, the third one is the product spec. When my customer click on this button, so my bot will respond to them. For this, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as media. It will provide me one message box where I can select the media type as image and upload one image of the specs sheet by clicking on this and upload it from my gallery. Here you can see the image is uploaded successfully. Now I am giving one caption in this enter caption box, that is our specs sheet. Here I write it. Now our flow is completed. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on this button, save button, so that your flow will be updated. So basically this is the final look of our flow for creating a WhatsApp chatbot for your PVC pipe manufacturer businesses. This bot will respond to your customer instantly like this. You can create this type of WhatsApp automated chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. It will create it without requiring any coding or programming skills. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow. So go and create your Pabbly Chatflow account and start creating your first WhatsApp chatbot for free.